I think I have lost. I'm gonna take some selfies. Take off. Блять. Alright, K-친구들. So now we're at the Hangang River and we came here to find the famous K-pop forest. The trees, the grass, everything here is so beautiful and nice, but I don't know where am I. Where are we right now? However, I think I have lost. 피디님 혹시 어디로 가야 돼요?
한강은 제가 전문이죠. 절 따라오세요.
Okay. Let's go, guys. K-친구들, I think that we have found the right way, so follow me. Alright, K-친구들, I think we have finally found the place we were looking for, and this is the famous K-pop forest, and this is the memorial tree. This whole forest was built by the fans of Infinite K-pop band to celebrate their first tour. I wanna do some photos with this thing. That's so great, so cool. Okay, I'm gonna take some selfies. Okay, that's so great. Oh guys, I recommend you visit this place to see yourself how beautiful it is and how important it is to build new forests for our ecology. Wow, look at this, another memorial tree. Oh wow, it says that the fans of the TVXQ K-pop band built this forest to commemorate their 10th anniversary from their debut. So important actually for the fan base and for all the K-pop community. It's a very important event right now. Oh, I'm so excited to be standing here at the memorial tree. I want to take some more photos of this for you. Okay. We're visiting the most important and the most interesting tree right here. So this memorial tree and memorial forest was built by the fans of Tiffany, Girls of the Generation, to celebrate her 25th birthday. And the interesting thing is that this is the first memorial tree in this whole forest, and from this memorial tree came the tradition of building a forest by fans of the K-pop group. How exciting is that? Let's take some photos because this is the most interesting part here. Oh, it's so refreshing taking a walk right here. It's so relaxing. I like the nature so much, right? Wow, look at this tree. It looks great, right? Yeah, let's take a photo together. That's a nice, beautiful tree. So, we have enjoyed the freshness and relaxing of the forest, and also on the Hangang River you can have a great picnic. And speaking about delicious things, I'm going to show you the special convenience store recipe so you will not be hungry and you will be entertained. So stay with me, I'm gonna show you cool things. We have visited the famous K-pop forest. Oh, I think it is time for me to get something to eat. And I have a delicious recipe just for you. And of course, we are going to have a little nice picnic near the Hangang River. So stay tuned, let's go. I'm gonna show you the cool recipe. So the first part of our recipe is going to be a delicious beverage that we are going to make together. So what do we need for it? Well, we need 3 ingredients for our first recipe, and it's going to be the iced hazelnut latte, and we're gonna get us an ice cup. The cup full of ice, the large one, we're gonna get these 2. The last part of our hazelnut latte is going to be a milk, but not just usual ordinary milk. No, it's gonna be a banana milk. We're gonna mix it all together and get ourselves a nice beverage. And so, also, the second part of our delicious recipe is going to be not a beverage, but a dish. So this dish was created by a fan for a GOT7 member, the Mark. So he could be acknowledged for this recipe, and this was the original convenience store recipe that are now very famous in Korea among the K-pop band lovers. So let's begin. So the first thing that we need for our recipe is going to be a ramen. And inside of this ramen, we're gonna put some other ingredients. So first of all, we're gonna get ourselves some delicious and spicy tteokbokki. These are gonna be inside our dish. We're gonna put it inside, and also we're gonna need sausages. So these sausages we're gonna put inside our dish, following the cheese. And this is going to be on top of our delicious, delicious dish. I'm already craving for it. Okay, let's go and check out. 안녕하세요. So, first step is we're gonna prepare our ice cup. So, we're gonna open the lid and open this film. So we prepare our ice cup. Now we're gonna open our hazelnut latte and put it inside our ice cup. So, okay. Now let's pour our coffee inside our cup. So now for the last ingredient, it's gonna be our banana milk. So we're gonna fill our ice cup with coffee with our banana milk. And now when our drink is almost finished, we put on the cup, mix it all together and enjoy. And our delicious beverage, tungba latte, is done. Alright, so for our delicious K-pop recipe, we have everything we need in place. Alright, so what do we have inside? Open up our tteokbokki. So we have a hot spicy sauce, some omu, and lastly, we have a tteokbokki. So let's prepare our tteokbokki. So we open our spaghetti ramen. Inside, we're gonna see some noodle and some delicious seasonings with a hot sauce. So let's begin preparing our ramen. We can put it inside our tteokbokki. Ooh, that is so full of hot sauce and spices. Can't wait to put it here. So we mix our ramen and tteokbokki. So they're all combined, creating this unique and nice, delicious taste of Korean culture. So everything mixed together. And lastly, we put our delicious cheese on top of our beautiful dish. We got everything prepared and now we're gonna put it inside our microwave. Open, push the 30 seconds button and voila! Now that we have our tteokbokki ready, oh, look at this delicious dish. So we have our original K-pop convenience store recipe, the special Mark's dish, ready. And we are now ready to go and enjoy this dish without delicious beverage, watching at the beautiful Hangang River and doing a great picnic. Let's go! Alright, K-친구들, so what do we have here? Let's look. So we prepared some tungba latte, the delicious beverage, refreshing thing for this hot summer. And lastly, we've got our K-pop recipe, the special Mark's dish, ready. Let's enjoy our little picnic. Let's try the tungba latte. Oh yeah, guys, this is amazing. You should definitely try this one. That's a great refreshing drink. It has a really subtle hazelnut, nutty flavor with the banana milk. It all blends so beautifully and great. It's a tasty thing. Not too sweet and not sour. It's just perfect. Let's try some of the Mark's original recipe. Let's start with the sausage first. So as you can see, it covered with this beautiful and delicious sauce that is a mixture of a ramen sauce and a tteokbokki sauce. And that's a great thing, you know. It's all spicy, but not too spicy. It's a flavorful, and it has this distinct pepper taste. It's a great mixture between these two, the tungba latte and this dish. That's just great, and cheese makes everything like 100% more delicious. Yeah, the combination of these two sauces, the hot sauce from tteokbokki and from ramen noodle, it makes a great distinct flavor. now I'm not hungry anymore. I've got this beautiful, this delicious thing, the Mark's original recipe, and of course the tungba latte together are so great. And looking at this beautiful Hangang River, oh, this picnic, this great, beautiful picnic is 100% success. And so now, guys, I'm going to say goodbye to you, and I'm going to return to you with another interesting topic of our K-culuture program. See ya! So the modern Korean culture wave is the very different and very diverse thing, and it's known all over the world, and it includes really different and various parts in itself. And this are very unique in their own way. Or you can also learn a lot of different things like dancing or singing.